Hey learners, welcome to this complete tutorial on Microsoft Excel. We all know Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool to store data, share data, and easily interpret the relevant data. Microsoft Excel has been in existence for a long time. Most of us might have played around the software during our childhood, even when we didn't know what actually it does for us. And today, if I'm giving a complete tutorial on Microsoft Excel, you can easily understand the kind of importance the software is having. It has been in the market for a long time and continues to dominate the market even now. In Microsoft Excel, we'll be able to understand the data, interpret the relevant data in the right sense, and never miss out on any of the important points, and thereby take the necessary actions after studying the data. Let it be any basic calculations, accounting, visual representation of data, or even for forecasting the future requirements. So join us in the complete tutorial on Microsoft Excel and become an expert. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I want to request you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any new update or video releases. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love and like this video. Knowledge increases by sharing, so make sure you share this video with your friends and colleagues. Make sure to comment on this video any queries or suggestions, and I will respond to your comments.
Hi everyone, this is Chetan Pramanik, data science expert in Excel. Welcome to the course of Data Analytics with Excel with Digital Computer Learning. In this course, we'll be dealing with all the data analytical concepts such as data manipulation, data cleaning, visualization, and how to apply regression models in Excel particularly. Now Excel. What is Excel? Excel was built by Charles in 1985. Today around 16% of the population present on the earth has used Excel. And Excel is used to store all the sorts of data into tabular format. You can make presentation, make graphs, and do anything related to the data. So you can have characters, numericals data, string, boolean values, everything which are used for data processing can be stored on Excel. So we have different small elements in Excel. So one of it is cells. This is the part of Excel, and Excel can have more than 17 billion cells. So let's start with this course and see how we can juggle around Excel with data analytics. Let's start.
Okay, so this is how the Excel sheet looks like. This is where we store our data. You can have any data in whatever format you want to have, store it over here. It could be like numbers. You just have to write numbers, hit enter, store. So whatever the data is, it would stored in a tabular format. That would be columns and rows. So we have n number of columns and rows in Excel. You can have multiple sheets as well in Excel to have different type of data stored in different sheets. So this is how you add sheet from here. You can rename your sheet, store it by a store name. Maybe if you are into marketing or e-commerce data is there, somewhat offline market, so you can have store wise sheets present over here for different kind of rates and prices for the products. Then so this particular block of Excel is called a cell. It could have somewhere around 17 billion cells in Excel. So this is the part where you can have this is the part which is called as ribbons. You have multiple functions, different file formats, different indentations, alignments present over here. So all of these things we'll be covering in the coming videos for our data wrangling concepts. You have multiple tabs over here like insert. If you want to insert any kind of particular pivot table, graphs, so you'll need to come to this insert ribbon for this particular operations. Then you can use handy provided predefined functions in Excel, which is a boon in Excel. That is why most of us use Excel without coding. You can get graphs into it. Then you have different kinds of page layouts. If you want to set margins, different colors, everything could be used by coming into this particular tab. This is the most important ribbon. Here we have all the arithmetic operations present over here. So by default, Excel has many different functions present here related to finance, related to logical operators, text, date, lookup tables, trigonometric operators. Everything is present in Excel predefined. But still, if you want to write something on your own and define a particular function which is not there, you can write your function over here, and then it could be just used as a generalized method for all the operations you can perform. Data, if you want to perform anything related to the data, like if you want to sort it, if you want to filter out something, then if you want to give some conditions, you want to name your range, declare a variable, something like this, this is the part where you'll have to come for these kind of operations. Then for reviewing, you have the screen for spelling check or any other thing, like if you are having some kind of text and you want to go around, like if all the spellings in that are correct or not, you can come to this window for reviewing purposes. This is a different kind of options which in Excel has. This is all about the view. So if you want to see less data, you can zoom in, zoom out, you can see multiple pages, everything like that could be done from this page view.